Okay, hello guys, welcome to my video. So today we're gonna playing Ghost Group S2 Towers. So otherwise guys, this is so subscribe and this avatar. So I have this. A bacon thing. So otherwise guys, if it's your video so now, make sure to subscribe and also I'm going to beat that game. So and bro, stop lagging. Okay, wait. Okay, let's go. Let me beat it, guys. Let me beat it first, guys. Let me beat it, guys. Come on! We're going to beat it now, so much. And also, like and subscribe, okay? Oh my god. Please, no. No. Please, I wanna beat that game. I wanna beat that game, guys. I need to beat that game, guys. Okay. Let me beat her so much. Okay. Look at you. She's ugly. And also, they can disappear. So I know we're going to beat that game. And this is the game, guys. Okay. So I'm in this game, guys. So subscribe it now, okay? So anyways, the hobby? Where's the hobby? Or a tower thing? What's that? Okay. So anyways, I'm going to be careful. I think I'm going to be careful of these obstacles. I think. Okay, I'm at the top, guys. I'm at the top, guys. Okay, this is the cashew tower, the easy game. But I guess one is it. Who's that girl? Girl. Okay, guys. Okay, we're going to beat that game, guys. Okay, bro. Come on, guys. I don't know. What's the one? Oh, wait, this one. Come on, guys. Come on. Okay. You know what? Now. Okay, we're going to beat next. We're going to beat it. We're going to beat now. Okay. What? Who is that girl, huh? Oh, trying you. Oh, I beat her. She's not beautiful. Hey, stop it. Hui. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Hey, she's not beautiful, guys. She is not beautiful, girl. I think she's beautiful, right? She's beautiful. Better than this, guys. I think I like this. I think I like this girl so much. She's beautiful. She's not beautiful. That's good. I'm not gonna say that, guys. I'm not gonna say that this in a world that okay. So so otherwise, use more English version, I think. Or just keep on. Wait. Hold on a second. Okay. Wait. Stop. I can just. Bro.